So that's a traditional tea shop. Local snacks, peanuts and stuff. Right. On your right is a go shop, but we're not going in. I can't afford one right now. What I can afford today right now is this. Let's see if they will be artisan coffee and tea. Alright? Vending machine for artisan coffee or tea. Let's see the menu first. Wow, what a plethora of choices. Let's start with hot coffee. And then iced coffee. And then iced milk. Can you see? I hope you can. And then hot milk. And then hot tea. And then iced tea. So I'm gonna buy this for my mother. It's called, yeah, iced Taiwanese milk tea. Medium sweet. They even have soda. What else do they have? Ooh, fruity drinks. Alright, iced lychee. Okay, two more. Protein shakes. And the last thing, the last category that they have is smoothie. Hello. Sawadee ขออนุญาตนะครับ Oh, she's having iced Americano. And she's paying by scanning. Let's see if I be able to pay by credit card, because I will get some money back, 1% back every month. Okay, you can punch in your mobile phone number to collect the perks, the points. Okay, that's the straw and the cap. ขอโทษนะครับ ขอโทษนะ โอเค มาพอดีเลยนะกำลังจะซื้อให้แม่ครับแล้วก็จะถ่าย So now it says to be served in 48 seconds. Oh, real time. Don't worry, I'm gonna select English menu when I buy the Taiwanese iced tea, iced Taiwanese milk tea for my mother. Thai people are so nice. They're so friendly and chill. They don't mind being filmed. Okay. ปกติซื้อนี่ซื้อครั้งแรกหรือซื้อประจำครับเนี่ยครั้งที่ 3 โอเคก็แสดงว่าก็ใช้ได้ใช่ไหมครับผมว่าก็ปกตินะคะโอเคค่ะ Okay. This is her third purchase. So it must be drinkable. Okay. ขอบคุณมากครับ Thank you. Now Our turn my mother's turn